Hello folks, we come to the part 12 video. As before, this was a recorded video which suddenly got lost, so we have to re-record it, and let's record it and see how it is. It's a laborious problem where they ask us to do this by taking it into a single polynomial and getting the derivative. In the next part, you have to do it by taking the log. So that way we will find out. Already in part 1 we have done it by product rule. So let's continue with this and let's see how this is coming. We have already called this as y in our previous problems also. This is y, and we are doing it by expansion. So we are expanding it. So let's expand. First, x squared is getting multiplied by all this. So x raised to 5 plus 7 x cubed plus 9x squared. Then we are getting this minus 5x multiplied. So minus 5x raised to 4 minus 35x squared. Then minus 45x plus 8x cubed plus 56x plus 72. Whatever is possible to simplify, we'll simplify and then we'll get the derivative. X raised to 5 is just the lone term. Then x raised to 4 is there, minus 5x raised to 4. Then you have these cube terms, so that is 15x cubed. And then you have the square terms, 9 and minus 35. So how much will that come to? It will come to minus 26, I suppose. And then you have the x term, that is these two. Minus 45 plus 56 is 11x and 72. We got it simplified. All like terms, we brought it together. So since we have always an eye on dy by dx, we are going to take the derivative. So let's take the derivative dy by dx and let's see what comes. Derivative of each of these terms. So d by dx of x raised to 5 minus 5x raised to 4 plus 15x raised to 3 minus 26x squared plus 11x plus 72. So derivative of each term, let's take. Derivative of x raised to 5, we know is 5x raised to 4 because nx raised to n minus 1. Now this is derivative of 5 into derivative of x raised to 4. Here it is 15 into derivative of x cubed minus 26 into derivative of x squared. 11 into derivative of x and 72 because it's a number doesn't have a derivative. So right away we will get this 5x raised to 4. This is 4x cubed when the derivative comes. So minus 20x cubed. This when the derivative comes, it's 3x squared. So 45x squared. When the derivative comes 2x, so minus 52x. When the derivative comes 1, so plus 11. That's it, right? This is what we got in the previous case. So that's how we get it over here in this case. Now in the next case, we have to take the log and do it. So for our convenience, let's call u as, let u be x squared minus 5x plus 8 and let v be x cubed plus 7x plus 9. Since you have to take the log and do it, therefore it is like, therefore y is u into v. So you are taking the logs, log y equal to log u into v, which is log u plus log v. Right. So you have to take the log of u and you have to take the log of v. Not only that, later on you have to get the derivative also. So therefore it is like, so what is this? Yeah, so later on it is derivative d by dx of log y plus equal to d by dx of log u plus d by dx of log v. Right. So we all know this. Don't we know it? See, we know that derivative of y with respect derivative of log y with respect to y is 1 by y. And derivative of, because we are referring it with respect to x, it is dy by dx. Derivative of log y with respect to y is 1 by y. And because this is with respect to x, we will write dy by dx. Same way, derivative of u with respect to, log u with respect to u is 1 by u and du by dx. Then log v with respect to v is 1 by v and dv by dx. That is what we have been doing from so many days. So now this is fine. Now what we will do is, so all this is there with us. Only this du by dx and dv by dx, we have to get that. We can easily get. In fact, I should have done it there. I don't know why we missed doing it there. Okay. Let's call this as 1 so that we can get back. Now u which is x squared minus 5x plus 8 and v which is x cubed plus 7x plus 9 can give you your du by dx. That will become, see, derivative of this, derivative of this, derivative of this. X squared has got derivative 2x, minus 5x has got derivative 5 because it is 5 into derivative of x which is 1, right? Same way, 8 doesn't have a derivative. dv by dx is derivative of this, derivative of this, derivative of this. Derivative of x cube is 3x squared. And derivative of 7x, 7 out, derivative of x is 1. 9 doesn't have a derivative because it's a constant. That's all. So from 1, what happens? You get 1 by y dy by dx becoming 1 by u, which is 1 by x squared minus 5x plus 8 into into du by dx, which is 2x minus 5, and here it is 1 by v, that is 1 by x cubed plus 7x plus 9, and dv by dx, which is 3x squared plus 7. Now, on equalizing, this comes to 2x minus 5 times x cubed plus 7x plus 9 plus 3x squared times plus 7 times x cubed plus minus 5x plus 8 by x squared minus 5x plus 8 into x cubed plus 7x plus 9. Actually, this is y itself, right? So dy by dx, the y you are taking it on that side, that y and this y, they will cancel actually. So I will take this y here in this step itself. So that y and this y can cancel, right? As a result, you are left with only this term. And if you look at the 17 problem number 1 which we did by product rule, there the same thing we have done. That is why that same answer also we can write, because the working is just the same. 5x raised to 4 minus 20x cubed plus 45x squared minus 52x plus 11. Exactly the same term has come there, and there we had done the calculation. Same calculation applies and you get your dy by dx. Now next problem, 18th problem, you have to get d by dx of u into v into w. So no problem, we know u into v, we know, product we know. But here now 3 terms are there. So no problem, we have to find out how it is. So for our convenience, let's call z as u into v. So what happens to d by dx of u, v, w now? It will become d by dx of z into w, right? And the product rule here we can apply z times dw by dx plus w times dz by dx. Let's revert back. This is uv dw by dx and this is w d by dx of uv. Imagine. This we know. Yeah, product of 2 we know it. What will come? We know that it is u times dv by dx plus v times du by dx. So what comes finally? W dv by dx plus vw du by, that's all, right? And that's what they have asked us to find the derivative. So this is how it comes, and this is, after great audio, that is over. Thank you.